Hey, today I just want to show you our little setup. We're just here now, got the chaser bin parked up. Here's the field bin with one tractor, and we've got Leo there getting the header ready, and we've got a second field bin that we're just filling up now. That's our first unload here now whilst driving. How close we are next to the header. I'm running here on GPS. Truck coming to collect. It's a bit of an unusual setup because usually we load from the other side, which is the driver's side, but we didn't have space, so we put it this way and we load up now through the chaser bin. So we're now loading the second trailer, and we're loading from our field bin into the chaser bin into the truck. Bit of an interesting setup for this time. Now we're nearly done filling up that truck. Beautiful truck, by the way. The header is parked here, so everything is empty. Got our two field bins, and Leo's just topping up the rest now with the chaser bin, and then that truck is good to go down to Perth. Just looking at the top, we're nearly done here now. That one's already tarped up.